Tired of losing potential customers in the follow-up frenzy? Let's unlock the power of automation with Aisensy and transform your lead nurturing strategy. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Automation tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, click on Create New Automation. You will be prompted to name your automation something like New Lead Welcome or Post-Demo Follow-Up. Works great. Now, it's time to define your trigger. This is the event that will kickstart your automated message. Common triggers include new lead added, form submission, or even specific website activity. Select your desired trigger from the drop-down menu. The heart of automation lies in the message itself. Craft a personalized message using Aisensy's dynamic variables. Incorporate the lead's name, company, or any other relevant detail you've collected. Remember, personalization is key to engagement. You can create a series of messages to nurture your leads over time. Schedule follow-up messages days or even weeks after the initial contact. This helps maintain consistent engagement and guides leads further down the sales funnel. Before you activate your automation, double-check all your settings. Ensure the trigger is correct, the messages are personalized, and the schedule is optimized for your target audience. Once you're satisfied, simply toggle the automation switch to on. Congratulations, you've successfully automated your lead nurturing process with Aisensy. Start seeing increased engagement and streamlined sales today. #lead nurturing, #automation.